When you're finished with your cleaning task, or if the vacuum tank is full, it can be easily emptied using the system's built-in dump and drain hose. To empty the vacuum tank, wheel the system to a floor sink and locate the dump hose on the front of the system. Now remove the cap from the dump hose. Keep the hose pointed in an upright direction and then quickly lower it to the floor sink to allow the contents of the tank to drain out. When the tank is empty, leave the dump hose in the floor sink and remove the black lid from the top of the vacuum tank. Grab a hose and rinse the inside of the vacuum tank, allowing the water to flush out through the dump hose. Pay particular attention to the float cage on the inside of the vacuum tank, rinsing any debris that may be caught in that cage. This step is very important and should be performed on a daily basis. A clogged float screen will negatively impact vacuum performance. Once the tank and float cage have been rinsed, turn off the water and replace the vacuum lid. Then reattach the dump hose to the vacuum tank. Your system is now ready to be stored until the next cleaning operation.